Hi everyone, welcome back to the Chanel review of the all-new 2025 BMW M5. The legendary super sedan is back, and this time, it's packing more power, more tech, and an electrified twist. Is this still the ultimate driving machine? Let's find out. BMW has taken a bold step with this generation of the M5 by introducing a hybrid powertrain. Under the hood, you'll find a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, now paired with an electric motor. The result? A staggering 717 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. That's a serious leap from the previous generation, making this the most powerful M5 ever. The power is sent to all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive system, which means brutal acceleration 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.4 seconds. But don't worry, there's still a rear-biased mode if you want to kick the tail out and have some fun. One of the biggest talking points is the hybrid system. BMW calls it M-Hybrid, and it's designed to enhance both performance and efficiency. The electric motor alone produces 194 horsepower, which helps fill in power gaps when the turbos are spooling up. It also allows for a short all-electric driving range, perfect for city driving or creeping through traffic without burning fuel. But don't expect it to be a Prius, it's still an M car at heart. Now, let's talk about the design. The 2025 M5 has a more muscular and aggressive look, but it's not over the top. The front features a bold kidney grille, but thankfully, it's not as oversized as some other recent BMW models. The sculpted hood, flared wheel arches, and quad exhaust tips make sure you know this is no ordinary 5 Series. The rear is clean and sharp, with a subtle lip spoiler and a redesigned diffuser that adds both style and function. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused, high-tech cockpit. BMW has gone all in on screens, with a massive curved display that houses both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. It runs BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 software, which means sharper graphics, improved voice control, and an intuitive layout. But if you're not a fan of touchscreens, don't worry, the iDrive rotary controller is still there. The seats? M-specific, ultra-supportive, and wrapped in premium leather, with optional carbon fiber shells if you want that extra racecar feel. And, of course, ambient lighting, carbon fiber trim, and metal paddle shifters add to the overall sporty vibe. But the real magic happens when you hit the road. The adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and near-perfect weight distribution make the M5 feel surprisingly agile for a big, luxury sedan. The steering is precise, the chassis is rock-solid, and the exhaust note, especially in Sport Plus mode, has that deep, aggressive growl that reminds you this is a proper M car. BMW has also included a range of driving modes, from efficient hybrid settings to hardcore track-focused options. You can even configure the M buttons on the steering wheel to instantly switch between your favorite setups. So, that's the 2025 BMW M5, a blend of brute force, cutting-edge tech, and everyday usability. Whether you're a die-hard M enthusiast or someone looking for a high-performance luxury sedan, this car has a lot to offer. Let me know what you think. Does the hybrid system make the M5 better, or do you miss the old-school approach?